Hi, it's Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and throughout this house I've used white on white by Dulux, but in the cottage I've decided to go for a feature wall and give it a bit of a punch. So I ordered these samples from the Dulux website. They are awesome because you can hold them up on your wall. They give you a really true example of kind of, what that wall or space is going to look like. You can see here, this one is a little bit too bright. The one on the left has too many kind of blue tones in it. The one in the middle is definitely the winner for me, and that's Frontier. So once I'd finally chose a colour, I had the boys in. It took them a couple of hours to tape it up, paint it, and it was a really quick and easy process. So I'm standing in my finished cottage, and where I started with this space was this feature wall. I wanted a real punch in regards to colour, and Frontier from Dulux has really given me that. From there, styling wise, what I was hoping to achieve was a really relaxed vibe. I've gone with some really kind of neutral colours, but then added texture with cane. And to finish it all off, just added those little pops of luxe, which is that marble and that brass. So guys, don't be afraid to use colour. Head to the Dulux website, order your sample swatches, and away you go.